Good morning, guys. This is Joseph Sahyoun, President of Earthquake Sound Corporation. I want to share with you today a secret on how to convert your boring sofa in your home theater into an exciting special effect sofa that has vibration for gaming, for movies, for everything. And all you need to spend is $250 and buy this baby. MQB-1 will deliver this. It's a very resilient thing. And to mount it, all you need is the bracket, put it this way, go under the sofa on a lateral this way and bolt it like that. So when the event happens on the screen, this will vibrate. In fact, on music, if you tone it down enough, it'll bring the beat drum very close to you. It's quite an experience. When I made this, I didn't make it out of regular coil like speaker, voice coil, and other things. I went ahead and built a very heavy duty coil like that. It travels into this aluminum thing. There's no plastic in it. Made in the USA. So check this out. Boom, it centered itself. This is an amazing part and it never breaks. Doing this system add-on to the sofa is as easy as 1, 2, 3. All you need is an AV receiver with subwoofer output, 99.99 have it. You need an amp dedicated for low frequency vibration. That would be what the sofa is gonna do. Of course, finally, you need to acquire this cool shaker that goes on this bracket and mount to the sofa so it shakes. So whenever the low frequency come out of your receiver, it goes to both the subwoofer and this at the same time, leaving you with an exciting feeling of vibration as if you're sitting front row in a theater or in a stadium or in a bar. It's really cool. As for the kids, they're gonna play games and enjoy them, stay home out of trouble.